Can birds start fires? In 2019, wildfires raged in Australia for nearly 9 months, devastating large parts of the country. The media later confirmed it as a natural disaster, but the real culprits behind the fire were birds, specifically a species called the currawong. This bird, a type of predatory raptor, learned to start fires. When they noticed animals fleeing from the flames, they took advantage and hunted them. Over time, these birds learned to carry burning branches in their beaks and spread the fire, which contributed to the huge wildfires.